We've all said it before. I'll start tomorrow, or even worse, I'll start Monday. But I'm here to show you that no matter how you're feeling mentally, physically, or emotionally, you can still salvage what feels like a wasted day at any time that clock shows. Your living room floor is a dumping ground. You can't load your dirty dishes because you haven't yet unloaded your clean dishes. You've laundered all your clothing but dumped it on your bed instead of in your dresser. Your sofa is used more for storage than it is for sitting. Your dining room has become a dumping ground of every single art supply you've ever accumulated because you have a show coming up in a month and you need to prepare. So now instead of eating your meals at the dining room table, you hang over the sink with your plate like a trash panda to get everything in your body, while your paintings take up the living room, dining room, and every uncovered surface. You have a very exciting thrifting YouTube video coming up, but the rail of clothing blocks your foyer, your entrance to your kitchen, etc. Not wanting to wake up to another day of this was enough motivation for me. The first solution, get outside, change the scene, and get some sun on my face. You never know what you might come across on your walk. A full orchestra serenading you sounds good to me. After my reinvigorating walk, my next task was to do something fun and creative. I didn't want to jump right into household chores because that was monotonous and not inspiring, not motivating, and I didn't want to start my day that way. Prepping for my October art show was the perfect solution. After doing all the fun and invigorating tasks, I filled myself a tumbler of Mio water for electrolytes, filled it with ice to the brim, and decided it was time to get down to brass tacks. I stirred it up for all the flavor, and it was time to move on to kitchen tasking. That meant unloading the clean dishes from my dishwasher and putting them all away before I could load the dirty dishes back into the dishwasher and do 2 loads that day. That's how much I had let it build up in the kitchen. Not proud, but very proud to have gotten this task done. After I had the dishes done and had cleared off all the countertops, it was time to scrub them down within an inch of their life, and I was happy to do so with my Lysol with bleach spray, and everything was sparkling and gleaming, and I was very happy with how the kitchen looked. Now that the kitchen was done, the next big kahuna to take on was the bedroom, and it scared me. As embarrassing as it is to admit, I actually don't mind doing laundry. The laundry process I find quite relaxing. It's the drying and putting clothes on hangers and putting them away in the closet that really irks me. I have been sleeping under this mountain of clothing for days, and I've been curled up where Micah currently is, like a little ferret in a hole and not sleeping comfortably. So that needs to stop now. So I'm going to put you on a time lapse, and do not let the time lapse fool you. Putting these all away took me forever. I didn't even get them away. I just got them all on the proper hangers and then had to take a break because it took so long. Here is my proud pile of clean clothing all on hangers ready to go in the closet, and I got some extra hangers from that box of Poshmark items that I currently have listed to sell. However, given that my next video coming up is 37 new thrifted items that I got for under $100 that are drying on that dry rack, I cannot find any more hangers in my closet, and we'll have to do an IKEA run for hangers in the very near future. There you go, guys. There's my video on how to salvage a day that I did not start until 4 p.m. I got up, got outside, got some water into me, did some fun creative things, and a couple of house chores. I didn't feel like I needed to take the whole apartment on, but if I got the kitchen done and the bulk of the bedroom, that would set me up for success to continue with the next day's work. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you need some motivation to salvage a lazy day, pop this on and hopefully you'll get some great ideas from me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!